Hey there, everybody. It's Teresa again. Today we're talking about 6 ways to make money with video, and I'm super excited to share this info with you because I think you all know video marketing is a huge piece of my business. It is like the crux of everything that I do. And anywho, I'm excited to share this information with you because I believe this information is going to be useful to you in a lot of different ways as you grow your own business. So as you pop in today, feel free to say hi, let me know where you're watching from. And hello again, Miss Melanie. Thank you for joining me. And if you're catching me on the replay, comment hashtag replay. But the lay of the land for our course today, again, we're talking about 6 ways to make money with video. What we're going to go over first is 5 big reasons why video marketing is a great business to jump in, if not the best business to jump into in 2021. And we're going to talk about 6 different ways that I currently make money with video. So I'm going to share with you all of those. And then lastly, I'm going to share with you a very special offer on my Video Marketing Made Easy course at the very end. So pricing on that right now is as low as it is ever going to go. So if you're curious, I would encourage you to send me a personal message at the end of this class with the word video so we can see if it's right for you. All right. If it's not, no worries. Okay. Great information coming at you. So 5 big reasons why video marketing is the business to get started in 2021. Let me just share this with you. First of all, according to YouTube, okay, the number of video views that happen every single year doubles. It increases by 100% every single year. And this is according to YouTube, right? That's not me saying that. These are YouTube stats. So this year, if there's 8 million or 8 billion views, next year there'll be 16 billion. The following year, there'll be 32 billion. Okay. That is exponential growth. Hey, Maxine, thank you for being here. So video marketing is huge, wouldn't you say, as a trend? Because what does that tell us about consumers? Okay, this is the second big thing. So we know video is growing exponentially. There's the first big reason. The second thing is we know that because video is growing exponentially, what? People love to consume video, right? People love watching it. So there's the second big reason. And to back that up, we have statistics that are all over the internet that right now in 2021, 80% of internet traffic is video viewing. Boom, 80%. So if people are out there marketing their businesses and they are not using video, are they missing the boat? You see what I mean? This is huge. This is huge. So number three, third big reason that video marketing is an excellent business to go into and the best business to get into in 2021 is that video converts 70 to 80% better than any other medium. Okay, 70 to 80% better. I will scream this from the rooftops until people get it because this is a huge, huge deal. How would your business flourish if you had 70 to 80% more yeses, 70 to 80% more eyes on your content, 70 to 80% more lead opt-ins, all of this. Anytime somebody sees us, we have the opportunity, 70 to 80% opportunity to convert them into a lead or a sale. How valuable is that? Okay, how valuable is that? So video marketing is huge and it's only going to continue to grow. All right. The next thing is, so we've talked about 3 things so far. And the next reason that I would give you is that video increases the know, like, and trust that companies can have. And so for you as a company, as you start your own brand and build your own business, when you are able to say what you need to say about your own products and services in the form of video, you are going to increase your know, like, and trust factor. Let's face it, nobody from a text post, a text with a graphic post on social media, that is not going to get the engagement that a video gets. Okay, it's just not. Why do I know that? I know that because 80% of internet traffic is video viewing. It is not text viewing. Okay, so we know this already. So video marketing is a great way to go for that reason. And then lastly, because people retain 95% of info that they get in a video versus 10 to 20% that they retain from anything they see or read in text. All phenomenal reasons for video marketing to be the business opportunity of 2021. Okay, so if you're not currently using video, in your business, I want you to think about, as you hear everything that I mentioned today, I want you to think about how could you use this information that I'm sharing with you to start a video marketing conversation with someone who could be a potential client. And I also want you to think about how could I use this information that I'm learning today to create some really knockout content in video form for my own business, right? Because that's exactly what I teach. So, anywho, onward and upward again. So, as you pop in today, please feel free to say hi. Let me know where you're watching from, and da 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 da. Yeah, and if you're catching me on the replay, comment hashtag replay. And Melanie says that's why my daughter did well with remote learning. Yeah, yeah. So video content, right? So let's talk about 6 different ways that you can make money with video, that I make money with video. I'm going to share with you my personal stories here. So the very first one, of course, I am a video marketer. I got into video marketing in 2020 and very quickly made some meaningful income at home doing video marketing. So what does that mean? That means that I was able to edit and create awesome, amazing scroll stopping videos for clients that generated a very meaningful income for me. Okay. So when I talk about that, I want you to know that when I create a video that I consider scroll stopping, high quality, it typically takes me about 2 hours of time and I can make $250 or more for that effort. Okay. Do you see what I mean? That's what that's what I mean when I say things like meaningful income. I'm not talking nickels and dimes. I'm talking about things that are going to impact your family budget. Okay. And this is huge. So selling videos is a big piece of that. And there's a whole trust me, my video marketing made easy course goes into how do you get into the act of selling videos that you create, and that is a whole other course. But definitely selling videos is huge, and I can tell you that there are many big corporations out there that will pay thousands and thousands of dollars for a 60-second marketing video done right. Okay, so I am like a babe in Toyland at this point with my video marketing business, but I love what it's able to do for me, even as a newbie. Do you see the power in that? That is huge. When I got started with video marketing, just so you know, I was making money in 2 weeks, and that has just continued on and on and on. So this business can be as big as you want it to be or as intimate as you want it to be. So choice is yours. So I make money by selling videos. The next thing I do is affiliate marketing. I make money through affiliate marketing from videos. And so how is that? Well, probably all of you know that I use an awesome, amazing tool to create my videos called InVideo. And I will post a link to that in the comments here for anybody who's interested. But InVideo is all I use. It is what I teach with, and so I stand behind that product 100%. I love, love, love InVideo, and so I'm an affiliate for them, okay? Because that I promote them and they serve me well, okay? And so I earn income when people sign up to InVideo underneath me. That earns an extra income. And the cool thing about that is that because I use my affiliate link and usually give that to all of my students if they don't already have an InVideo account, and it helps me keep my course costs down because I have another stream of income coming in through that affiliate revenue. Do you see what I mean? But affiliate marketing, okay, is another thing that I use, and we've talked about that already this week, haven't we? The next thing that I do is teaching. I make money teaching about video marketing. I've got an online course now that I teach that's just about video marketing and how to do that. I'm soon going to develop kind of a mini course that's just about video editing, take the marketing piece out, but marketing is huge. So anyway, I make money through teaching other people how to do what I've learned how to do. Because let's face it, when we create a good thing, right? When we create a good thing, the next thing is, who can I reach out to and bring forward with me? Do you see that? Do you see that? So now that I've learned to do this thing, I've learned how to make money with video at home. I bet there are thousands of other women who would love to learn how to make money with video at home, don't you think? So that's why I created the online course. And so now other people can learn to do what I do, and it's proven to be duplicatable because some of my students are earning money within 4 weeks. The course isn't even finished yet. They haven't even finished the content, and they're making money. So boom, there's that. So teaching. Another way that I make money with video is Guess what? On YouTube. I actually got my very first 1099 from YouTube just this year. And I think I monetized my videos the year before. You have to have, I think, 5,000 subscribers on a YouTube page. But once you have that, you can monetize your videos and your YouTube channel. And so that creates another income stream for me. What I have going on YouTube, then, I need to maximize so that I can get the most views. I can promote my website, I can promote other things. But do you see how all of these income streams are just formed around the idea of video marketing? Do you see that? There are so many things you can do with it that make it, again, when we think about all those reasons that 2021 is a great year to get into video marketing, do you see all these avenues of revenue that can come in from it? It's not just one single thing. So even as we do our, right now in the group, we're also in the middle of 90-day, or from startup to profit in 90 days, and we're talking about multiple income streams. But can you see how video has the aspect of multiple income streams all around it? Multiple income streams out of this one thing. Do you see that? And they all work together. So this is another huge, huge deal. So YouTube definitely can make some money there. There are people who've made millions on YouTube, and I'll be transparent with you. I am not there yet. But in the height of COVID, when everybody was, hit with the quarantine between March and May, June, when things were really locked down in the United States, um, those were my $500 months coming in from YouTube. That, that was just awesome. And I don't know about you, but $500 to me is meaningful income. Okay. Let's see. Voiceover. This is another way that I make money with video. These next two ways are actually add-on services that I do when I provide video services to other people. So when people contract with me or hire me to create a video for their business or product or whatever it is that they want to say, um, they can also hire my voice. Okay, so if they need a female US accent, I'm up for that. I can do that for them. And the thing of it is that it's an add-on service for me. So it's not anything I consider all inclusive. So while I might get paid $250 for the video, I can add another 75 or 100 or 150 for the use of my voice. Do you see what I mean? Because I will create an audio track for that video. I might put some music behind it, and all of those things are add-on services. Okay, do you see? Awesome, awesome. And then the next thing that I can make money with in video, with my video business, is script writing. Okay. And I'll tell you that script writing is probably not my favorite thing to do, but I happen to have a knack for it. Okay. And I'm not I'm not really tooting my own horn on that, because it's truly not my favorite thing to do, because I have to dive into the client's website and information to really get a feel for who they are and the kind of message that they need if I'm going to do the script writing. So yes, but it is another income stream, and it is worth it because I've decided what I will charge for it when people ask me to do it. Okay, so that's the thing, is kind of knowing what you will do, what you won't do, what you're comfortable with, uncomfortable with. But video has within it, for me, at least 6 potential income streams. And right now I'm making money in all of them. All right. So as you consider all of the options that we have for going from startup to profit in 90 days, I encourage you to think about video marketing. It's definitely something that, I teach, and I teach it myself. And the thing is, I'm going to share with you just a little bit about Video Marketing Made Easy, the course, is that this is the kind of course that you can get, and you're going to get a couple of really big things out of it. Okay, number one, well, probably four really huge things. You're going to learn to be an ace at video editing. Okay, you're going to learn how to design and create scroll stopping videos for yourself, okay, and for anybody you might want to sell them to. Okay, so you're going to become an expert video editor. You're also going to learn solid marketing concepts that will grow the foundation of what you know about marketing and how to create meaningful messages that are going to reach your people and cause them to want to reach out to you and do business with you. I'm going to teach you the craft of creating meaningful marketing messages so that your videos are not only going to stop the scroll, they're going to have a nice call to action and going to lead to conversions. And that is marketing. Okay. So the marketing foundation that you're going to get in here, this course is so much more than video editing. And I want you to know that what you learn about marketing, you can apply to any other income stream or business that you have. Okay, so this isn't just one and done course. This is a course that is a frame for everything that you will ever do. Okay, so you're going to learn all the marketing piece. From there, you can create scroll stopping videos for your own business and save thousands and thousands of dollars, right? So that's the third great thing that you get. And then the other thing is that when you get video marketing made easy, you are going to you also have an income stream. By the end of 7 weeks, you are set up and ready to make money. Okay. When you follow the program and follow the plan, you're going to be set up to make money within 7 weeks of getting started. So, thank you. I want to thank you for tuning in and for being a part of this group and a part of this awesome, amazing journey. Hello, Miss Bertha. Thank you for joining me. This class is a little bit shorter than some that we've done, but I've hit all the high points with you. So if you're interested in learning more about video marketing made easy, send me a personal message with the word video. Trust me, the price will never be lower than it is right now. So if that's something that you're interested in, because we are doing this and I want to create opportunities for women to leave the 9 to 5, I'm doing something crazy with pricing right now. So send me a message. We can see if it's right for you. Thank you for tuning in and have an awesome, amazing day. Bye.